Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? Today I will start question number 9 part E of exercise 5A of D2 for class 8. Again our topic is solving quadratic equation by factorization. The question is 2q minus 3 into q minus 4 is equal to 18. First of all, I will convert above equation in standard form. As we know, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, first of all, I will multiply first term of first bracket to the expression in the second bracket. So 2q square minus 8k, then minus 3 into q minus 3q, and in the last minus 3 into minus 4. So I will have plus 12. Now minus 8q minus 3q will be minus 11q, plus 12 minus 18. So 12 minus 18 is equal to minus 6. Now the question is in the standard form. Here the coefficient of q square is 2 and coefficient of q is minus 11 and the constant term is minus 6. First of all, I will multiply the coefficient of q square with the constant term, then I will get minus 12. Next, I will find the factor of 12. So 1 into 12, 2 into 6. So I will select this pair because minus 12 plus 1 form middle term and their product form minus 12. Understand, student? So I will take minus 11, I will take minus 12 and 1 as a coefficient of q. So 2q square minus 12q plus q minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have 4 terms. From first two term I will take 2q as a common factor, then here I will have q and here I will have minus 6. From last two term I will take 1 as a common factor. So here q minus 6. Now we have two terms and both the term have q minus 6. So I will take q minus 6 as a common factor. So in the first term I will have 2q and in the last term I will have 1. Now either first is equal to 0 or second is equal to 0. From first x is equal to 6 or 2q is equal to minus 1. Then q is equal to 6 or q is equal to minus 1 over 2. That's the solution of the given equation. Now question number 9 part F. Listen student, this equation is not in the standard form. So first of all I will convert above equation into standard form. So minus 5 will be multiplied with r and plus 1. So minus 5r minus 5 is equal to 7r plus 58. So 7r plus 58 will be negative 7r and negative 58 on the left side. So first of all simplify these two terms. So minus 5r plus minus 7r become minus 12r. Minus 5 plus minus 58 is equal to minus 63. So the equation is in the standard form, but we see that minus 3 is common in the three terms. So first I will take my plus 3. Listen, plus 3 is common in the three term. So first of all I will take plus 3 as a common. So I will have here r square minus 4r minus 21. So r square minus 4r minus 21 is the standard form. So here the coefficient of r square is 1 and the constant term is minus 21. Their product is minus 21. So first of all I will find the factor of 21. 1 into 21 3 into 7. So I will select this pair because minus 4r minus 7r plus 3r is equal to minus 4r, and their product is minus 21. So I will use minus 7 and plus 3 as a coefficient of r. Now we have 4 term. In the first 2 term I will take r as a common factor, then here I will have r and here I will have minus 7. From last 2 term I will take 3 as a common factor, so here I will have r minus 7. Now we have 2 term. In both the term we have r minus 7 as a common factor, so I will take r minus 7 as a common factor. We have r plus 3, so either first is equal to 0 or second is equal to 0. From here r is equal to minus 3, and from this r is equal to 7. Question number 9, part H, solve the equations. First of all, I will convert it into standard form. So t into t, t square, t into minus 3, minus 3t, then 2 into t, 2t, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 3t plus 2t becomes minus t, minus 6 is equal to t plus 2. Now t and minus 2 will be negative on the left side of the equation. So t square minus t minus 6 minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. So first of all I will simplify the like term. Minus t plus minus t minus 2t minus t minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 8. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here the coefficient of t square is 1. First of all I will multiply 1 into minus 8. I will get minus 8. Then I will find the factor of 8. 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So I will take these two as a factor of 8, because minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2, that's the middle term, and their product for the product minus 8. So I will take minus 4 and 2 as the coefficient of t. So the equation becomes t square minus 4t plus 2t minus 8. From first 2 term t as a common, so t minus 4. From last 2 term I will take 2 as a common factor, so here I will have t and here I will have minus 4. Now we have 2 term. In both the term we have t minus 4 as a common factor, so I will take t minus 4 as a common. So in the first term I will have t, in the second term I will have plus 2. Now either first is equal to 0 or second is equal to 0. From first t is equal to 4 or from second t is equal to minus 2. That's the solution of the given equation. Now question number 10, solve the equation 6x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. So here it is the first part of the question number 10. First of all, multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term, then I will get minus 90. Next I will find the factor of 90. 1 into 90, 2 into 45, 3 into 30, 5 into 8, 3 into this is 6 into 15, then 9 into 10. So I will select this pair because minus 10 plus 9 for middle term and their product for minus 19. So I will use minus 10 and 9 as a coefficient of x here. So we have 4 term. From first two term I will take 2x as a common factor, so 3x minus 5. From last two term I will take minus 3 as a common factor, so 3x minus 5. Next we have two term, so in both the term I will have 3x minus 5, so I will take 3x minus 5 as a common factor. In the first term I will have 2x, and the last term I will have plus 3. So either first is equal to 0 or second is equal to 0. From first x is equal to 5 by 3, or from last I have x is equal to minus 3 over 2. That's the solution of given equation. We can also write it as 1 whole 2 over 3 and minus 1 whole 1 over 2. Next part is we have to solve this equation. Part 2, we have to solve this equation. For this I put x is equal to y minus 3 in equation number 1. In order to form this equation, I will put x is equal to y minus 3 in equation number 1. So x into y minus 3 square minus y minus 3 minus 15 is equal to 0. Again, in order to get this equation, I will put x is equal to y minus 3 in equation number 1. Then I get this equation: 6 into y minus 3 square minus y minus 3 minus 15 is equal to 0. Because I put y minus 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to y minus 3, so first of all I will put x 5 over 3 in this. So I will have y minus 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Negative 3 will be positive on the right side, so 5 over 3 plus 3. Now I simplify the fraction, then I will have 5 plus 9 over 3, 5 plus 9, 14 over 3. We can write it as 4 whole 2 over 3. Next, because y minus 3 is equal to x, next I put x is equal to minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 will be positive on the right side, so I have y is equal to minus 3 over 2 plus 3. I simplify it and I will have y is equal to minus 3 plus 6 over 2. It becomes y is equal to 3 over 2. I can also write it as 1 whole 1 over 2. So y is equal to 4 whole 2 over 3, and or y is equal to 1 whole 1 over 2 is the solution of part 2. Now question number 7, part A, 121 minus a square is equal to 0. First of all, I will convert this question in the form of this identity. I will convert the question into this identity. So this identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So I convert 121 into 11 square, because 11 square is equal to 121. So a square minus b square is equal to 0. I convert the above question into a square minus b square. Here a is 11 and b is a. So a plus b into a minus b mean 11 plus a into 11 minus a. Either first is equal to 0 or second is equal to 0. From here a is equal to minus 1. From here minus a is equal to minus 1. So multiply above equation, above value by minus 1. The solution of given equation is a is equal to minus 11 or a is equal to 11. Next, question number 7, part D, 4 over 9 minus d square over 25 is equal to 0. Again, I will convert this question in the form of this identity: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So I will write 4 over 9 as 2 over 3 square minus d over 5 square is equal to 0. So a square minus d square is equal to 0. So here a is 2 over 3 and b is d over 5. No, a plus b into a minus b is equal to 0 mean 2 over 3 plus d over 5 into 2 over 3 minus d over 5 is equal to 0. Either first is equal to 0 or second is equal to 0. Now 2 over 3 will be negative on the right side. D is equal to d over 5 is equal to minus 2 over 3. Now 5 will be multiplied on the right side. D is equal to 5 into minus 2 over 3. It becomes d is equal to minus 10 over 3, or we can write it as minus 3 whole 1 over 3. Now 2 over 3 minus d over 5 is equal to 0. Now 2 over 3 will be negative on the right side. So first of all, multiply above value by minus 1 or above equation by minus 1. I will get d over 5 is equal to 2 over 3. Now 5 will be multiplied on the right side. So I have d is equal to 5 into 2 over 3. D is equal to 10 over 3. I can write it as 3 whole 1 over 3. So the solution of the given equation is d is equal to minus 3 over 1 over 3 or d is equal to 3 whole 1 over 3. That's the solution of given equation. Now student, we have completed exercise 5a. Next we will start exercise 5b. So till then, Khuda Hafiz.